Keep moving, guys. Keep moving. Keep moving, Sammy. Careful. See it, bud? Don't fall in the muck.
How deep is it?
Yeah, just try to stay out of it. Good balance, buddy. I think there's a bird's nest here and they're not happy. I got mud in my boot.